Good morning. It is nice and early right now on Friday morning, and I'm at the airport because I'm on my way to Mexico City to go check out the Day of the Dead festivities. I'm so excited. I'm gonna make sure I share everything we're doing. We've got a jam-packed schedule ahead of us. It's gonna be amazing. Watched the parade. It was incredible. I'm sure by now you've seen all the costumes and the floats and everything. Just walking back to the hotel. Got Annie here. And gonna get cleaned up and have some dinner and see how the night goes. We had an amazing day at the Dia de Muertes parade. It was so cool. I took pictures with a million kids. All these little children wanted to take pictures with us because we had our makeup and the headbands, the floral headbands and everything. So you can't say no to children. So I'm sure I'm in like 50 people's family albums on Facebook right now. It's full day 2 in Mexico City, and we've got a jam-packed day ahead of us. We're gonna go check out this place called the Coyoacan. Apparently it's this really cute cobblestone area. It's full of vendors and street food and artists and that kind of thing. We're gonna actually go check out Casa Frida Kahlo. There's a beautiful exhibit inside of her old home. I cannot wait to see this. I've been told it's absolutely incredible. We are in Coyoacan. It's this unbelievable neighborhood. It's one of the oldest neighborhoods. This place is beautiful. Checking out some cool spots, and we're gonna go try to find some neat spots to take photos, and we're actually gonna go head to the Frida Kahlo Museum. And I cannot wait to see inside this thing. It's gonna be such an amazing experience. Just finished up at the Museo de Frida Kahlo. It was really amazing. There's actually a new exhibit that came out like just a few years back where they released a bunch of the clothes and everything that she'd worn, some of the corsets, and just really gives you a different perspective on what she went through and how she painted like what her body was going through. So it's pretty amazing. I do suggest getting your tickets ahead of time if you're going to come and visit, because the lineup for people that don't have tickets goes all the way down there, and you're going to be waiting for a while. To the Museo Dolores Almedo. Dolores Almedo? Yes. And we just checked out this really cool exhibit that they put up for the Day of the Dead. We're gonna take a little walk through the gardens here. End of the night, we had an amazing day today. The Frida Kahlo Museum was incredible. The Dolores Olmeda Museum was so spectacular. It was so beautiful. Definitely something you've got to check out. And the Coyoacan was amazing. We just had the best dinner I've had yet at Azul Historico. It is such a beautiful restaurant. You're surrounded by trees with beautiful candles and lanterns hanging out. The food was incredible. Service was amazing, and I loved every minute of it. Good morning. We've made it to Teotihuacan. We're gonna go check out some pyramids. We've got a 3-hour hike ahead of us, but it's supposed to be spectacular. So we're here at Teotihuacan, and we are gonna climb the Sun Pyramid. This thing has 248 steps, so it is gonna be a bit of a hike, but made it to the top of the Sun Pyramid. Woo! It's 248 steps. It's a little tiring, but I made it, and I feel pretty good. The view from up here is incredible, and I will show you that to you right now. So we made it to the top of this. I was right there. It was hard, but we're back down now. I'm gonna go check out the Moon Pyramid. It's a smaller one than this. And then after that, we're going to a restaurant called La Gruta to eat. And this is gonna be so cool because this restaurant is actually in a cave. Okay, today was pretty amazing. We started off the day at Teotihuacan, exploring the pyramids. I climbed the sun pyramid, as I'm sure you saw by now. Got a little sunburn. I tried my best. And then we went to the coolest restaurant, La Gruta, for lunch. It was this amazing restaurant set in a cave. The food was delicious. It was just such a cool setting. So a really neat experience. And then we went down to the historical central district of Mexico City and took a walk through, saw some beautiful cathedrals, the Grand Hotel, just so many beautiful spots. Now we're going to dinner at a restaurant called Dolce Patria. Dinner last night was absolutely incredible. We went to Dolce Patria, had some delicious food. I had one of the best meals I've ever had, definitely the best meal I've had here so far. It was actually duck with a mole sauce, and it was incredible. The desserts were unreal. Now we're off to Casa Jacaranda for a little market tour and a cooking class. I cannot wait to learn some authentic Mexican cooking. Okay, we just finished up at Casa Jacaranda.
Hey!
It was so incredible.
We made tamales and we helped make pan de muerto.
Yes.
And oh my gosh, everything was so delicious that just, you have to go to this place because you do a cooking class. They're unbelievably nice. Like I felt so at home. I'm in love.
She's in love.
And the food, like just the food. You need to trust me on this one. As I always like to buy things, I bought some of these. So I'm sadly saying goodbye to Mexico City this morning. It was such an amazing trip. I absolutely loved it. I'm not finished in Mexico yet though. I'm actually on my way to San Luis Potosí to go see more Day of the Dead experiences and Surrealist Garden. There's so much to do there, so it's probably going to be in another video. I will link it here and you can watch it later.